Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Putting a quick video together to talk about naloxone or Narcan administration training as a part of your CPR training requirements. Keep in mind that state to state, the Department of Health may have different standards for workplace safety, so you do want to make sure you're checking in with your state. We can tell you now from Pennsylvania, because that's where we're headquartered at, is we have Act 57. And basically what that is, the PA Workers' Compensation Act that was drafted last year or 2 years ago in 2021. And basically what that says is the safety team or committees at workplaces need to have some kind of substance abuse training and opioid related medication training as well. So a great idea for those industries that are requiring this type of training is to add naloxone or Narcan training into your whole course that you're running through your company. And again, this is related directly to workplace safety training. So again, with that in mind, we go through not just first aid, CPR, AED in terms of skill sets. We also go through the administration of naloxone. And what that would look like is, on top of the foundational program, you would also use a naloxone auto-injector nasal spray to run through the training. And here's an example of what that would look like. These are some example trainers that you have, and essentially what you do is you go through the entire program, you learn more about opioids and their effect on the body and how to respond to drug overdose and with use of naloxone, opioid overdose with use of naloxone. So again, with that said, it might be something for you to consider and look into adding to a foundational first aid CPR AED training. We already offer this for a lot of our clients, and we typically, when we go through the onboarding process to determine what is best for the client in terms of their training needs, one of the things that we commonly get is the setting in which they're working, and again, maybe adding the naloxone training to their training program. So something to think about, something to take a look into, state by state, of course, making sure that you're staying compliant with your workplace safety. There's some links below. If you have any questions on that, or if you want to reach out to talk more about training for your staff, feel free to do so. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. Have a great one. Thanks.